Hello everyone. What I'm selling this time is a set of pulleys, belt, and a nice end bearings. You can see they're very nice. Okay, the overall length of the rod is 6 inches. The overall length on the back base is 4.5. Those little guys are like 1.5 square. The support of the bearings. This here is a 1/2 inch rod. The tiny bearing is the 15/16, close to an inch, 15/16, and the big one is 1 inch and a quarter. The belt, I've used one of the pulleys and I tried to imagine the other one, and probably you have about between 5 and 5.5 inches. Without it, if I straight more, it's like 7 inches, but probably 5 inches from here through there. There's 6 feet per inch, so this will be for $17.99 plus $7 shipping and handling. This will be in a small USPS flat rate box. Will include hidden shipping and handling. This turned very smooth, absolutely no noise. And once again, $17.99 plus $7 shipping handling. I mean $7 shipping in this small flat rate box, including shipping and handling. Thank you so much for watching. Everything is steel. Is just the browning pulleys are from aluminum. Thank you for watching.